Today is Monday, May 2nd. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado AMFM stereo radio with integral 8-track player for my friend Greg in Chicago. This unit has been completely restored. This is a show quality restoration. And right now I'm doing the final functional validation test. The unit is connected to power and connected to a 1975 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna and a single speaker, sufficient enough to do the functional validation test. The unit has been absolutely completely disassembled all the way down to the final screw and fully restored cosmetically and electrically, as visibly apparent from the beautiful faceplate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and change the channels. Right now we're listening to Donald Trump having a speech somewhere. We're of course in AM mode. I have some pre-selected channels.
We're already on the way. Maybe Honduras, Guatemala, who knows? El Salvador. Jaws. We nailed it. We said rolling out of bed.
Beautiful tuning.
It's like Elizabeth Warren. She said she was an Indian. I said, right? Contracts, even though Nashville is breaking news and more. You have and I have.
Or is it big blue nonsense? And I don't buy into the he has to.
You went out and got a test.
And now we'll switch it to FM mode. Here's a stereo light.
That Scripture is very candid about is there are times you will find yourself in a difficult place, not because of wickedness or ungodliness or the judgment of God, but in making the best choices you know. Stress fills your life.
And I have some pre-selected channels in FM mode. And the stereo light comes on. And this is with reception in my garage.
Farmshow.com for more info.
Beautiful, fully reconditioned faceplate. So we've tested the AM, we've tested the FM. Now we'll go ahead and put in an 8-track tape.